Guys, this is System Test 5. Now I know that a lot of you don't really like that I take so much time explaining things in my system test videos, so I'm going to try to cut to the chase in this one. Just give you a quick tour and then do the test. So, out in the area where I usually have the pull station, I have the Ademco MPS-5, which is pretty much like a Fire-Lite BG-8. So yeah, over here for notification, the SpectrAlert P1224MC set to 15 candela, code 3. I have another initiating device, which is the call point, and I put in a resettable element for that, so I'm going to push it in this video. And a new initiating device that I got, which is the System Sensor 2100 smoke detector, 2-wire model, photoelectric. So yeah, and you can see it just blinked. All the stuff in here I think is on zone 1, and the pull station's on zone 2. So I'm going to go key operate the pull station because I've already pulled it in another system test. So hold on, let me just make sure everything is working and is set to the right thing. Okay, here we go. SpectrAlert sounds pretty ugly. I just did an audible silence, but I'm going to disable both strobe necks now. And because I already reset the pull station, I just press reset. Now for the call point. So I just push in and enable the strobe neck. Okay, here we go. That's sounding, obviously. Disable it. And to reset the call point, you insert the key, put that down, and take out the key, and it reset the system. I'll show you how I did this at a later time, but I pretty much made it so that you don't have to unscrew the cover in order to reset it. And finally, we are going to test the smoke detector. And I have a pack of matches right here. So this may or may not work out well. Because I have a very, very bad feeling about standing on a chair and lighting something on fire. But you gotta do what you gotta do. Of course it's not lighting. God. There we go. And let all the smoke go into the smoke detector at a few different locations. And that should set it off. Yep. SpectrAlert is going off. Disable that. That is activated. As you can see, I'm just going to make sure all the smoke is out of the chamber. That should be good. And I'll just keep the camera on the smoke detector when I reset the system. Yep, it worked. Okay. That was System Test 5. Hopefully that was a little bit better and that I didn't explain things as much. So yeah.